Hello, it's Edwin here from EcoShine Solar again. I'm here to tell you about why these little SolarSiphon clips will save you a lot of money on your solar panel investment. So what has happened here is when the panels don't have an adequate inclination, the water isn't sufficiently draining off the panel, and that is causing these permanent mineral staining marks. There's two reasons why this causes damage to your solar system. The first being, obviously, the direct mineral staining is blocking the sun from getting to the silicon cell underneath. Now what happens is, in the winter time, these panels will be wet, I can imagine, almost 100% of the time. They'll build up dew in the morning, the sun will barely be strong enough to burn it off, and that silicon seal is just constantly wet. Over time it slowly deteriorates, and we actually have what's called moisture ingress. So the moisture will get underneath the seal and into the panel, and we'll get a hot spot. So hot spots are when the moisture has actually gone underneath the panel and short-circuited. So as soon as that's happened, the panel needs to be replaced. The solution is this basic little SolarSiphon clip. Once clipped on, they allow adequate water drainage, protecting your panels and making sure they'll meet their 25-year lifespan expectancy. If we do an annual service with you, we'll make sure every time we visit the system, we go around, make sure they're working properly, and we replace any that look like they're tiring free of charge.